In the beginning, the story of creation. Before time began, before light or sound, there was only God, perfect, eternal, and full of love. And then God spoke. A vast, dark void. A spark of light pierces through. With a single word, "Let there be light," the universe woke up. Light burst forth, chasing away the darkness. God named the light day and the darkness night, and it was good. Genesis 1 verse 3, "Let there be light." Next, God spoke again, and the waters divided. He spread out the heavens like a canopy, painting the sky in soft blues. Clouds drifted, winds whispered. God saw it was good. Day 3, land, seas, and planets, and trees. Then the waters gathered together, and dry land appeared. Mountains rose, rivers ran, and flowers burst from the soil. Every tree, every seed, every green leaf was designed with care. God looked at the earth and smiled. Genesis 1:11. Let the earth bring forth vegetation. Then God set lights in the sky, the sun to rule the day, the moon to watch the night, and stars to glitter like promises across the heavens, each one in its place. Day 5, birds and sea creatures. Genesis 1 verses 20 through 23. The oceans stirred with life. Above, the sky filled with the sound of wind. God blessed them, saying, "Be fruitful and multiply." Day 6, animals and mankind. Genesis 2 verse 30 and chapter 3 verses 1-10. Then came the animals, lions, lambs, elephants, and eagles. And finally, God formed his most marvelous creation. From the dust, he shaped man in his image and breathed life into him. He gave them a garden full of beauty and purpose. He told them, "Be fruitful and multiply and replenish the earth." God gave them dominion over all the earth, and God called it very good. Day 7, God's rest, the Sabbath, when all God had wanted to create was finished. Not because God was tired, but because his work was finished. He called this day of rest the Sabbath, not because he was tired, but because his work was finished, perfect and whole. Everything was created for the man, never to want for anything. The same God who spoke light into the darkness still speaks life into us today. The world around us, the sky, the sea, the warmth of the sun, all whisper the same truth. You were made on purpose by a creator who calls his work good. And when you see the beauty of creation, remember, the one who made it all is still creating beauty in you. The heavens declare the glory of God. Psalm 19:1. If you liked and were encouraged by my first ever video, would you please like it? And if you want to see more biblical content like this, please subscribe and also share with your friends. Thank you for watching. Grace and peace be with you always.